All right, I'm going to give you a little bit of help on your homework and just kind of help you set up some of these. So this problem, it tells you that x equals 3 is a 0. So that gets changed to x minus 3 when you divide, and you're going to divide it into this. So just helping you set up to make sure you know what you're doing here. So you divide into it, and whatever you get up here, you're going to try to factor more. So that way you get your zeros. Just FYI on that, there should be 4 zeros. This should have 4 zeros. On this one, when I give it to you in function notation, this is the same thing as saying x equals 1 is a 0. So you're going to divide by x minus 1. And then over here, I do not give you a 0 at all. But I give you a hint. I say factor by grouping. So just a tip, you take the first two and the last two. I'm going to walk you through the factoring of this one a little bit because number 4 is exactly the same. So I'm going to take out a GCF of an x squared. And then on this one, I'm going to take a GCF of 4. And then if you remember factor by grouping, after you do that, you're going to GCF again because both of these terms have x minus 9 that you can take out. And then I'm left with x squared minus 4. And you're not done yet, okay? Remember, you need to have 3 zeros here. It looks like I only have 2, except this one is x squared minus 4, which if you remember, is the difference of squares. So there you go. That's how you're going to get your zeros and then find the y-intercept and plug in any points you need to figure out the general shape. Number 4 is the same. This one over here, this is the same as number 2, where this is basically telling you x is equal to negative 1. So you're going to divide by that. And this one tells you what you're dividing by, but it's not just a simple root. It's x squared minus 16 that it tells you is a factor. So that helps a lot. And then factor what you get after the division. Hopefully those hints will help you be able to do your homework.